Hey everyone, today I'll be showing you how to complete your catalog listing. This includes all the information first presented to the customer on your title detail page. The title name, the category, and the metadata language you selected previously are included in this section. Remember, the metadata language determines the language of your name and synopsis, as well as the available publishing locations. The title name must be displayed on your key art, and the duration of your title often determines the correct category. Movies are 40 minutes or more, short films are 40 minutes or less, and anything under 10 minutes is a clip. First, you want to enter your synopsis. Be sure to type it directly into the box, don't use the enter key to separate lines, and don't copy and paste your synopsis from another source like a Word doc or a text file. Doing so can pick up invisible characters and might throw off the character counter below. Other languages sometimes count multiple characters as well, so make sure you keep track. Genres help customers know the stylistic format they can expect when viewing your content. You can choose up to 3, but Prime Video may add or remove genres to improve discoverability. When choosing a country of origin, consider where the title was filmed, where the production company is located. Next, choose the original language and original release date. Regulators in each marketplace create ratings criteria for movies and television shows. However, if your title is not officially rated by one of these organizations, select Suggested Rating, Title Not Officially Rated, and choose a rating based on the video content. Note that all ages is typically reserved for kids content. Next, you want to add your graphic assets. Key art is a visual representation of your title on the Prime Video catalog. It is required in 2 aspect ratios, 16:9 and 3:4 for standalone titles. Key art cannot include any padding, pillar boxing, or borders, and it should not be stretched or narrowed to fit the proper aspect ratio. You can see examples for each of these in our art requirements support page. Here we have examples of padded, stretched, and narrowed. Background images are optional and do not need to contain the full title name. Make sure you press Browse to upload your key art. After you've entered the required information and uploaded your graphic assets, press Save to move on to the next section.